Hello everyone, welcome back to my stream. In My name is Satyam, and in this stream we are going to talk about creating a dojo game with PWA. So I've been thinking about doing this for a long time, creating a PWA app that user can install on their phone and can play the game on the blockchain. So, without further ado, let's dive deep into it. So, I mean, uh, the, like, what do you say? Like, the flow seems better to me is we start with like Barebone React game, and then we try to convert that game into a PWA. I mean, that sounds like a really good choice. So if we think about this dojo starter, let's see what is this dojo starter. Okay, dojo starter link is not there, but okay. What is in this scripts? No. So I think we can start with emoji man. Mm, dojo JS, dojo starter, awesome dojo, emoji man. Mm, Emoji Man, it's kind of a heavy game, but we can go with some. Let's see what's inside this dojo. Examples, RPC slash Darknet, mhm, Dojo JS, examples. That one is for the. Okay, so we'll go with the React example. Okay, React Phaser example, React example, and React 3.js. So we'll try to go with these three, this example, and we'll try to do the similar thing. Okay, so let's see Web3 Dojo Cairo Dojo app. Okay, so what we will do is we'll try to try to uh, build one of these example, let's say React app, and then we'll try to convert this into the PWA. So that is what our idea of this app would be. Uh, where is this dojo.js? Okay. Mhm. Okay. Let's pull this. Ah, main branch is already up to date. Interesting. I mean, that shouldn't be true, right? I mean, that should not be true. Well, let me clone this anyway. Like, I can clone this. So, okay, git clone. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Dojo.js. Mm-hmm. CD examples. Let's just see what is there. Hmm. So, um, let's say we just try to run this React app. cd react app. Okay, and I guess we can close this. Okay, and we can directly open this particular project. Okay, and what do we have here? Mm, okay, React example, Dojo engine, core, create burner, Tori client, and utils React state. Mm-hmm. Okay, GraphQL code Zen, types node, types React, React DOM, types lint, ESLint plugin. Okay, pretty basic stuff as far as I can see. In README, there is nothing. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. First of all, like one install. Okay, there must be some sort of contracts as well. I can think of. There must be some sort of contracts. Why is there is no contract? Yeah, I mean there are contracts. Okay. Okay. Hmm. I think first we can focus on, like, in a site we will need to deploy our contract. Okay. So let's just start our katana. Okay. We'll just start with this. Okay. So our katana is started. Mm-hmm. Dojo.js and cd examples, cd dojo starter. Why the dojo starter is not there? Let me see. I guess npx creative pnpm run build. Hmm. Now I think this should bring this examples slash dojo starter. Okay, let's open this as well. Hmm. What is there? Dojo Starter official guide, the official Dojo Starter guide, the quickest and most streamlined way to get your Dojo autonomous world up and running. This guide will assist you with the initial step from cloning the repository to deploying your world. Read the full tutorial here. Contribution. This starter project is a constant work in progress. Okay, okay, okay. Read the full tutorial, report a bug. That's okay. Okay, so in this we have we have this we have these contracts, we have models, move, and player contract remaining last directions. Okay, then we have systems, and okay, this code is now so refactored and good. Looks really good, but this is amazing. And then there is test cases as well. Okay, and test move. Okay. Motets use stagnant classes, fell to 52, try into classes, use dozo world, I will dispatcher trade, use dozo test utils, spawn test world, deploy contract, use. Okay. Uh, yeah, that's amazing. I mean, okay, let's try to deploy scar build. Okay. Hmm. What is the issue? Compiler plugin could not be loaded. Dozo plugin 0.3 point dojo. Okay. What is the version? Dojo version is package version is 0.5.0. Hmm. 0.5.0. Okay, wait a minute. Hmm. I think my Dozo version might be out of date. So I'll just yeah, that might be the issue. I haven't used Dozo for quite some time. So hmm. 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 Compiler plugin could not be loaded. Hmm. Why this is the issue? Hmm. Compiler plugin. Does approval game built using Cairo. It establishes standard. Hmm. Maybe like I'm. Mm, okay. Scar built. No. Mm, mm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. Let me take it to what could be the issue? Let me mm, I want to show you some things on. Wait a minute. Okay, going GM, going GM. How did you go slow? Finish slow, slow, making progress. Some plugin. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let's see what it is saying. I should work with regular enums. Hmm. 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 Okay. What could be the issue? Dojo compiler plugin. What could be the issue of 0 point? Hmm. इसका build. Okay, dojo plugin. Okay, scarp block. Scarp.build package name. Wait a minute. dojo underscore plugin dependencies. There is, but here the dependency is only let's delete this scarf build. Compiler plugin. Hmm. Okay, compiler plugin could not be loaded. Let me see. Is there anything? Somebody saying compiler plugin not be loaded. Okay, let me see if we can do something with dojo starter, right? Okay, 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 almost all the links. Hey, links. No. Example tutorial tutorial link on dojo dojo starter repo. Hmm. Read the dojo book button. Okay, I think Now I have problem with React client. Okay. Mm, okay, so let's see. Mm, somehow this plugin thing is giving me the issue, right? Mm, okay, let's see. Let's start to with the. Okay, that's okay. Mm, GK Knight architecture. Okay. Mm-hmm. There is not much actually in this. So what do we do? Hmm. We'll need to fix this only. There is only one branch. Okay, and in this branch also, hmm, let's try to clone this standalone, like standalone from this. Dozo. RMF and RF. Dozo. Starter. Repo. Okay. Mm-hmm. CD starter repo. Mm, the issue is with the setup. Okay. Mm, okay. Scarf build. Compiler plugin could not be loaded. Dojo plugin 0.3.11. Hmm. Scarf hyphen V. Compiler plugin could not be loaded. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. There is some issue. Okay, let me try to build my application then. Six-sided CD contract. Okay. 5.1. Okay. Scar built. Hmm. The issue is with that only. Dojo up is 0.5.0. No, compiler plugin could not be loaded. Dojo underscore plugin 0.4.1. Mhm. There is some issue with that. Seems to be. Hmm. Okay. Okay, now what? Dojo.js, dojo starter. Why this is not working? What if I remove everything? Hmm. Cairo plugin might also have an issue. Cairo hyphen version. Scar hyphen B. Okay, let's see. Scarp. Hmm. 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 Scarp build. Dojo underscore plugin. Sojo hyphen V. Hmm. Scarp. clean, build, nope, update, build. Hmm. Compiler plugin. Okay. Mm, uh, fuck. Oh man, fuck. Like, this is the dumbest thing I've ever done. Okay, I'm like, damn, bro. Damn, damn, damn. Okay, now I think we are back on track. Damn, bro. Like, this is like the dumbest thing I'm trying to do. Okay, cd dojo apps, cd dojo.js. Okay, dojo up. Hmm. Okay, cd example slash dojo starter sozo build. The command is sozo build, not the. Okay, let me just open this. 0.5.1. Hmm. Sozo build. Okay. Hmm. Scar global SDF stars 2.4.0. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, let me just close this. Starter. Hmm. Starter. Sorry. RM hyphen RF. Okay. CD dojo dot js. Okay. CD examples. CD dojo starter. Okay. And Sozo built. iDojo. Alexa, stop. Hmm. Okay. So hyphen B. Okay. Hmm. Uh-huh. Okay. 2.4.0. Hmm. Dojo up and B 0.5.0. Dojo. Sojo build. Now I think okay. Now it's perfect. Hmm. So we have done Sozo build. Okay. Now we need to do Sozo migrate. Yeah. Now we are deploying the actual contracts. After so long. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so now our contracts are deployed after about 1 hour of, So I will, try to explain what was happening. I was trying the wrong tool. Like Dojo contracts are built using Sozo CLI, and I was trying to build them using Scar. So yeah, that was the issue. Hmm. Let me try to also run Tori FN world. Okay. Okay. So we have done that. Now we can come to our React application. React example, dojo starter, target dev. Hmm. We need to, okay, from where it is, mhm. Okay. Mhm. npm run build, run build, build. Localhost 5173. Hmm. Let me open the console as well. There are some error. Contract ID 0x2D0173. Okay. Mhm. Mm, application storage clear site data. Okay. Okay. I mean, as we can see, the moves are transactions are coming and everything is working as expected. Nice. So that's pretty much about the React application. Now what we want to do is we want to convert this application into PWA application. So let's convert this application into PWA application, and for that we can just copy the application. So what we can do is there is no GitHub cp-r react app react pwa app. Okay, so that's the idea. Okay, cd react pwa app. Okay, and Packagation React PWA example. Hmm. Okay, and now let's see. Hmm. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Okay, now what do we need to do to make the app PWA? White PWA. Okay, PWA white plugin, PWA integrations for white and the ecosystem. PWA integrations. PWA integrations for white and the ecosystem zero config and framework agnostic PWA plugin for white. Okay, let me just hmm. Okay. So what we need to make the application PWA? That's the next big question, right? So let's just see. What do we need to make the application PWA? PWA white plugin, PWA integrations for white and the ecosystem zero config, framework agnostic PWA plugin for white. Okay. PWA progressive web apps are web application built and enhanced with modern APIs to deliver enhanced capabilities, reliability, and installability while reaching anyone, anywhere, or any device, all with a single code base. If you want to build a progressive web app, you may be wondering where to start. If it's possible to upgrade a website to a PWA without starting from scratch, or how to move from a platform specific app to a PWA. A PWA mainly consists of a web app manifest, a service worker, and a script module to register the service worker in the browser. So basically, there are three things: web app manifest. Okay, then there is a service worker, and then there is a script and module to register the service worker. Register the service worker. Okay. So PWA mainly consists of a web app manifest, a service worker, and a script module to register the service worker in the browser. If you are new to progressive web apps, we suggest read this guide before starting writing code. Okay, and we will also check ELKPWA documentation. Service workers essentially act as a proxy servers that sits between web applications, the browser, and the network. So service workers essentially act as proxy servers that sits between web applications, okay, and the browser and the network. They are intended, among other things, to enable the creation of effective offline experiences. They intercept network requests and take appropriate actions based on whether the network is available and update assets residing on the server. They will also allow access to push notifications and background sync APIs. Okay. A service worker is an A service worker is an event-driven worker registered against an origin and a path. It takes the form of a JavaScript file that can control the web page site that it is associated with, intercepting and modifying navigation and resource requests, and caching resources in a very granular fashion to give you complete control over how your app behaves in certain situations. The most obvious one being when the network is not available. Hmm. So service workers essentially act as a proxy servers that sit between web applications, the browser, and the network. They are intended, among other things, to enable the creation of effective offline experiences, intercept network requests, and take appropriate action based on whether the network is available, and update assets. Okay, sorry. Mm, take appropriate actions. Okay, white plugin PWA. Mm, okay, white plugin PWA will help you to add PWA with almost zero configuration to your existing applications. The plugin will add sensible built-in default configuration for common use cases. The white plugin will generate the web app manifest using the manifest plugin option. Configure the web app manifest on your application entry point, adding a link on the head on your entry point. Generate the service worker using the strategies plugin option. For more information, read service worker strategies section. Generate the script to register the service worker in the browser using inject register plugin option. For more information, read register service worker section. So white plugin PWA will help you to add PWA with almost zero configuration to your existing applications. The plugin will add sensible built-in default configuration for common use cases. The white plugin PWA plugin will generate the web app manifest using the manifest plugin option. Configure the web app manifest on your application entry point, adding a link on the head on your entry point. Generate the service worker using the strategies plugin option. Generate the script to register the service worker in the browser. Installing the white plugin PWA. Okay, so bun. We are going to use bun. So let's try to use bun. Bun add white plugin PWA hyphen dev. Okay. Okay, white plugin PWA is installed or not installed. Yeah, white. Okay, configuring the white plugin editor white.config.ts file and add the white.config.ts file and register the white PWA. Okay, import white PWA from white. Okay, PWA and with the minimal configuration white PWA register type auto update. Okay, with this manual configuration of the white plugin PWA, your application is now able to generate the web app manifest and inject it at the entry point and generate the service worker and register it in the browser. You can find the full list of the white plugin PWA plugin configuration option in the following client.t.d.ts. Okay, if you are not using the white plugin PWA version 0.12, which version we are using? Okay, there is a bug handling inject register. The service worker generated will not include the code required to allow work with auto update behavior. If you are using white plugin PWA, if you want to check in Git in the dev environment, add the dev options to the white. Okay. Okay, dev options enabled true. True. Okay, if you build your application, okay, let me just see run dev. Do we have a okay, let's see. Well, I don't see any service worker. No, I don't see any service worker. Okay, if you build the web manifest will be generated and configured on the service worker. We generate this module and no library to build the service and more information in. Okay. Pipeline will register server using the inject register configuration option. Okay, inline inject a simple register script. Okay, let me see if the service workers are registered or not. Maybe I can find something from here. Okay. So I can see. Okay. There are service workers running. Test push message. Hmm. Service workers. Hello. There is no. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Injects a simple auto defense manual registration server worker as you mentioned is server as a proxy. Okay, pre-cache manifest. As we have mentioned in service worker section, service workers act as a proxies intercepting requests between the browser and the server. Since we are going to add PWA to your application, we need to configure the service worker so that your application can work offline. To do this, we need to configure the service workers pre-cache manifest, which will include all the resources of your application. Basically, we need to instruct the service worker what resources to store in cache storage so that it can be used for network requests interception and when the application is offline. Once the application registers the service logger, the browser will try to install it upon downloading all the resources in the service workers pre-cache manifest. Once all the resources downloaded and PWA minimal requirement PWA minimal requirement PWA minimal requirements previous steps in this guide. Okay, let me take a break and then we'll back in again like 10-15 minutes. Okay, I guess we can continue. So, as you can see, the warning, the theme color is missing. Okay, so what are PWA minimal requirements? So previous steps in this guides are the minimal requirements and configuration to create the web manifest and the service worker when you build your application, but you will need to include more options to meet the PWA minimal requirements. Your application must meet the minimal PWA requirements, PWA minimal requirements before deploying it to production or when testing your build on local. For example, when testing a PWA application on local using Lighthouse. So we can test it using Lighthouse. That's interesting. To make your PWA application installable, one of the requirements you will need to modify your application entry point, add some minimal entries to your web app manifest, allow search engines to crawl all of your application pages and configure your server properly. Only for production. On local, you can use HTTPS localhost dependency and node. Entry point. Your application entry point usually indexed on must have the following entries in the head section. Hmm. Hmm. A name sort of. Okay. More. Let's see. React PWA app and description. Some dojo game. Dojo React. Very basic. Very basic React progressive app. Dojo. Dojo game made with React. Dojo web game can be installed on user's phone screen. Okay, description हो गया. Okay, mask icon. So we'll need this. Okay, okay, fav icon, meta entry phone theme color. Okay, web app manifest. Scope permitted here for simplicity. The white plugin PWA plugin will use the white based option to configure it. A name, short description, a description. Okay. Hmm. Okay. How do I generate the assets? Check out the uh, check out the PWA asset generator. Okay, resources, React PWA app. Resources, sources use to generate assets for your PWA, PWA app. Asset generator. Okay, let's see. Okay. White PW asset generator will generate all the icons required for your PW application using Sharp. This package has been developed based on the work done in ELK source image. We strongly recommend using SVG images as the source image, as they will be resized to the required size without losing. As pointed out, then you will need PW manifest icon. Okay, we also suggest to include preset. Okay. Hmm. What the fuck? Hmm. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Let's copy this manifest. Name should be Dojo PWA app. Dojo PWA app. Dojo. Dojo app. Dojo. Dojo game. Short name. What should be the short name? Dojo game. Dojo. Dojo move. Dojo PWA. PWA. Okay. And name and short name. Okay. And okay. Description, very basic dojo game that can be installed. Theme color is okay. Now what else? Okay, let's React PWA example. Yeah. Okay. So what else? Hmm. Okay. So the PWA generator is not working. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Robots.txt, new folder, public, new file, robots.txt. Mm, okay. .txt. Okay. Wait a minute. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. So there is will be. Hmm. Definitive edition of how to favicon in 2023. In the head element of your insert relation icon. Hmm. Hmm. Apple touch icon. Okay. Wait a minute. Relation. Hmm. Okay. After description, link, relation equals to icon. Okay, and href, favicon dot ico. Okay, and that is Apple touch icon and mask icon. Apple touch icon and mask icon, web app manifest. Okay, an icon with following them with the example here, provide all the icons and images. Singular. You should choose. Okay, let's see. Excel, I draw. Yeah, I'm going to create an icon, new icon. Okay, I'll just type something. I'll just use this one, and we can fill. Okay, and the stroke width is this, and then I can use I don't know, like this dojo. What if I can use dojo on chain game on phones? Let's see. Okay. Export image. Dojo PWA game. SVG. Hmm. How can I make the size? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. export image. Okay, chalo. Okay, let's see. Okay. Satyam. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. New folder. Icons. Paste. Okay, and now what? To manipulate you need to create PWA. We suggest creating an SVG or PNG icon if it is being the maximum resolution for use it to generate PWA icon. App name. Web icon generator. Use web icon generator. Generate web icon. Okay, let's go to this dojo pwa app. Dojo pwa, dojo pwa description. Description is this one. Theme color, icons. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. 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 Purpose any. Okay. And this is also okay. Now what else? Paper touch icon. Hmm. Service worker strategy. Service worker is related to how the service worker behaviors. In this way, once the project knows and then it will upload. Hmm. Immediate equals to true. Okay. Static assets handling. Okay, let's see now. When run tab. Hmm, nice. Okay, let's see. I needed to fork the repository. Uh, okay, dojo.js. Sync fork. Okay, let's see then. Hmm. I think we are almost done actually. CD. Web3, Cairo, dojo, apps. Okay, ls ls dojo December. Oh, sorry. Okay. Mm, cp-r dojo app slash react examples dojo.js examples react pwa yeah dojo.js code react examples react. Okay, and it submodule its submodule. Okay, cd examples dojo starter sozo build sozo migrate. Okay, okay, and zero x 2041 dot slash chmodi dot slash one install. Run tab. Okay. Okay. Now, circle behaviors. Okay. Let's write a figure. Progressive web apps are web applications. Add React PWA example. Mm, PWA React PWA example. Mm, prettier. Mm, okay. Prettier. Hmm. 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 Commit link to ZSH. How to use commit lint with ZSH. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Uh, mm, and examples. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, slot deploy. So it's slot as well. Let's see. React phasor example. Hmm. Was thinking of like, deploying it on Vercel. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Mm. PW 0.1 integrations web manifest. And enhance it more than the speedily dojo. Mm-hmm. Speedily game deployed can be deployed. This PW game can be installed on users device and it will work similar to native desktop mobile application. Mm, Instructions. Just deploy your contract. It is your contract. It is a world contract. This project uses it is a starter. Dojo. Yeah. Mm, Documents. Desktop app screenshot. Markdown page. Right. Desktop version. Hello. Configuration guide. Configure for configuration. Auto update. Okay. Register service workers. Okay. Strategies. Service for automatic reload. Detect a new version of your then it will cache and verify the browser window with the application automatically. In order to reload, you need to import any virtual machine provided by the plugin if you are not insured with the application, so any kind will not be not automatic. You need the following. Clean up outdated plugin configuration. Okay. We should deploy this as well. No, that's correct. Wait, read me. Well to add desktop screenshot. Run. Prettier. Ignore. PRETTIER. Dojo.js. React PWA example. Hmm. Introduction, introduce changes. Basic React PWA example that can be installed as a desktop or mobile app from browsers. Right. Hmm. Loom. Uh, okay, I guess we are good. So we can now, steps stop the streaming. So in this stream, we created the basic React PW example that can be installed from user's browser, which is, I guess, really amazing. And I hope you guys enjoyed the stream.